came to a seashore again and brought DiCAPac with SIGMA105mmF2.8 EXDG macro OS because I wasn't able to take pictures under the sea last time. Let's get going. Is waterproof, so it can take the picture under the sea, but it cannot use for diving. It's shooting, call it uni in Japan. I guess she is there. It's tide pool, so I take various pictures under the sea. Under the sea. I can't see anything. Monitor is reflected, so I can't see anything under the sea. Try taking a picture with viewfinder. Good. The back monitor. It's too hard to take picture under the sea for me after all because it scared me. I tried deep area, but I just shaky. Can't take your picture because I have to hold on the camera and swimming at the same time. Impossible for me. Developed when we are afraid. Nature is kind of, but also terrible. pictures with macro lens under the sea, but it's impossible for me. I think I don't, which I can't. What do you think about this vlog? Thank you for watching our video. See you next time.